Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Okay, first of all, let's thanks to God Allah who has given us mercy and blessing until we can meet in the Google Meet today. And secondly, my salawat and salam to be our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness. Okay, I would like to say thanks to all participants today that who have joined in my Google Meet in my presentation of simulation research proposal. Okay. Introduce myself. My name is Fitriani Sugianto with ID number 2020-310428. And my title is The Effectiveness of Using Comic Strips to Increase Students' English Vocabulary at the Second Grade of Pondok Pesantren Sohibul Quran Bulukumba. Okay, let's move to the chapter 1. Here is the background of research. The background of research consists of 4 types. The first is about English, and then English vocabulary, and then talking about the problems in the research, then the solution that given in the for the problem in the research. Okay, as we know, the English is a foreign language that must be learned by students in Indonesian from basic education to higher education. In English, they have 4 skills that must be mastered by students or learners. The first skills is listening skills, then speaking skills, then reading skills, and the last is writing skills. In order to be able to master these 4 skills, it's necessary to have a good mastery of vocabulary. Why? That's because here to speak, someone needs a lot of vocabulary so that it can be understood by the other person, even when writing, and also needs vocabulary. That's why vocabulary becomes the one of important aspect to students for mastering a certain language. Vocabulary becomes the micro skills in learning the language, as stated by some author that vocabulary is the word taught to people when they learn a foreign language. It means that vocabulary is used to convey the aims of people. Why? Because that without vocabulary, people cannot say or cannot write what they want. And then the problem usually occurs by the students in learning vocabulary is almost all of the students have difficulties in pronouncing the word. Another is the students difficult to understand how to write and spell the word, and then the different grammatical form of the word known as inflection. In the preliminary observation at the second grade students of Pondok Pesantren Sohibul Quran Bulukumba, they have a problem with the lack of vocabulary. The researcher found most of students are use Arabic than English language. As we know that in the boarding school is different or depends with the other school or outside school that or negeri. In the boarding schools that students using English or Arabic language in their daily activity, however, the reality that the researcher found that many students difficulty using English, and this due to lack vocabulary. On way of solving the problem, it's necessary to use learning media that interesting, fun, communicative, and in accordance with the meaning of teaching. As stated by Kemp and Dayton Sadiman in 1985, state that media can be more associated as attract attention and attract students pay attention. Learning can be more interesting if used the right method, as we know that. As a result, the researcher attempt to use a media-based strategy by using English comic strips. That's because with comic strips are expected to be able to deliver learning material becomes easier and more interesting for students. Comic strips considered appropriate to describe the story about material learning, and then comic are a form of visual communication media that has the power to convey information properly and easily understood. This possible because comic combine the power of image and writing, which in a storyline and image make information easier to understand. With comic media can be said to be a learning medium that is simple, clear, easy to understand, and more personal. This is as stated by Rohani. And then we move to the next slide. In the next slide, there is the problem statement of research. So the problem of research, in the problem statement, the problem of this research is, does comic strips effective to increase students' English vocabulary at the second grade of Pondok Pesantren Sohibul Quran Bulukumba? Then the object of research is the object of this research can be stated as follows: is to find out the effectiveness of using comic strips to increase students' English vocabulary at the second grade of Pondok Pesantren Sohibul Quran Bulukumba. So the significance of research. This study has several purposes. The first, as in the theoretical significance, researcher findings are used to validate the media comic strips hypothesis. The hypothesis to help students improving vocabulary. And then in the practically significance for students, the first, for students, the researcher can help students learn vocabulary quickly by using comic strips media. Then for the teacher, the researcher would help the teacher to allow students to learn English by using comic strips media. Then we move to the next chapter. In the next slide is the scope of the research. So the scope of the research is researcher determine the study on vocabulary which focus on classword or part of speech. Those are nouns, verbs, and adjective. Then the specification is mainly about identifying the meaning of word. So the next slide is in the chapter 2, literature review. Here are three researchers before me. The first is Aziza Triharfiati. In her title, The Effectiveness of Using Comic Strips to increase students' vocabulary mastery of content words for the 7th grade students of SMP 33 Purworejo. Then in the second, there is Nur Aziza Ahmad in her research entitled The Effectiveness of Using Comic in Improving Students' vocabulary at the 8th grade of SMP 1 Palopo. Then in the next, the third researcher is Juliana in her research entitled The Effect of Using Comic Strips on Students' Motivation in Mastering Vocabulary. Then from all the researchers before me that have found that using comic strips to improving students' vocabulary by using for learning media, it's effective to improve students' vocabulary skills, and with comic strips can be a good motivation for students. The next slide in some pertinent ideas. Here is here is divided with three concepts. The first concept is concept of vocabulary. Then here then concept of comic, and then the last is theory of comic strips. Here this slide is talking about what is the researcher using in the research, in the next research. So in the concept of vocabulary, definition of vocabulary, as we know that Vocabulary is a list or collection of words and phrases usually alphabetically arranged and explained or defined. And vocabulary is knowledge of word and word meaning in both oral and print language and in productive and receptive forms, which is used in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, in the vocabulary that have the types, or in vocabulary have the types that by Montgomery in 2007 list 4 types of vocabulary. The first types is reading vocabulary, then listening vocabulary, writing vocabulary, and the last types is speaking vocabulary. Then the importance of vocabulary. As you know, that vocabulary has important role in English learning. It is one element that links the 4 skills of speaking, listening, reading, and writing, and all together. In order to master all those skills, the students need to have a good vocabulary. Educate numbers of words which is acquired by the students will enable them to master English skills easily. It will be easy for students to communicate their ideas both in writing or spoken form and comprehend what people say if they have good vocabulary mastery. Then in the teaching of vocabulary. Teaching of vocabulary. Teaching vocabulary in the classroom or outside or indoors, teaching is a way of passing or information or experience between teachers and pupils to help vocabulary teaching format. To help students understand and use the word, strong technique is expected in a vocabulary teaching format. The teaching learning process should be more fun, interesting, and inspiring for the students. This research for the students. Why that I using comic strips? That's because comic strips can be make the students more fun, interesting, and inspiring in learning English. So the next is noun. Noun is a word that represents a person, thing, concept, or place. And then in the noun that have seven types. The first is common noun, then proper noun, countable noun, uncountable nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns. And the last is collective nouns. So the next is a verb, that in the definition of a verb, that as we know, a verb is a word that describes what the subject of a sentence is doing. In the verb that have 7 types, same with noun, and the first type is regular verbs, then irregular verbs, and then a transitive verb, and then intransitive verb, then action verb, a linking verb, and the last is auxiliary verb. And then next is in the concept of comic. Here is the concept of comic, that the definition of comic. As we know that comic are a deliberate collection of juxtaposed pictorial and other image designed to provide the reader with details and an aesthetic reaction. Colors Encyclopedia describe comic as the word used for a series or a sequence of extremely stimulating, closely related drawings that are not relevant to the ordinary cartoons. And then the next is in the types of comic is comic strips, comic book, comic cartoon, manga, and comic web. And then in the conceptual framework, there is the first input or material comic for the students. For input refers to the vocabulary, instruction, content of the comic strips for the students, then the process in the teaching vocabulary through comic. The term process refers to comics method of teaching vocabulary, and then the advantage of comic media used by researcher is that their learning result increase, making it easier to capture the material, the piece in comic. And then the last is output. The students' comparisons to comic here have three alternatives to express. And then in the hypothesis that have two hypotheses. The first is alternative hypothesis. The use of comic strips is effective in improving students' vocabulary at the second grade of Pondok Pesantren Sohibul Quran Bulukumba. And then in the second hypothesis is null hypothesis, is the use of comic strips is not effective in improving students' vocabulary at the second grade of Pondok Pesantren Sohibul Quran Bulukumba. So the next slide is research methodology. In the research design, this research will use quantitative data with pre-experimental design using pre-test and post-test. And then where the pre-test is given before treatment and the post-test is given after treatment. Then in the research variable, here is have two variable. The first variable is independent variable, where independent variable is the use of comic strips media in teaching vocabulary. And then in the dependent variable is the students' vocabulary improvement at the second grade of Pondok Pesantren Sohibul Quran Bulukumba. So in the next is the next slide. Okay, the next slide is population and sample. In the population, that the population of this research is that of all students at the second grade of Pondok Pesantren Sohibul Quran Bulukumba, and there is just have one class with class 8 with a total population of 29 students. And then in the sample, that the taking sample technique is total sample technique. The researcher choose the second grade to be the sample in this research. Most top students in this class still categorized as low in vocabulary. There were 29 students of 16 female and 13 male students as the sample as an ideal teaching learning process in Pondok Pesantren Sohibul Quran Bulukumba. So the next slide please. The next slide is research instrument. So here the instrument used in this research is a comic-based vocabulary test, where vocabulary test consists of 35 questions, with the form of the test is using multiple choice and formal essay, where in the procedure of collecting data here is three. The first pre-test, treatment, and post-test, where pre-tests are given before treatment and then post-test given after treatment. And then in the next slide is the next slide is technique of data analysis. Here in the technique of data analysis consists of six types. Six here. The first is scoring the student's correct answer of pre-test and post-test. Then the second is classifying the score of the students pre-test and post-test. Then the third is calculating the percentage frequency of student grades. Then the fourth is calculating the mean score of the student's test. And the fifth is calculating the mean of different score. And the last is calculating the standard deviation of students pre-test and post-test. Okay, that's all my presentation of simulation research proposal. I hope that you can capture what I'm saying before. And then the last word I said that wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.